Big Deano's Barbell Club 2 coming soon. I don't recommend doing this by yourself. It's a bitch, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna add that crossbar in the back. We're gonna install these. And then the pull-up bar got rusty on the move. That will be in the next clip. Big Deano's Barbell Club 2. In the garage, back in the home state. If you're from Wisconsin, throw a thumbs up. Accidentally set it up like that to match the width of the crossbars. One man shit show continues. Got one in, held it up with one arm. Got the other in. It's loose, but now I'll get it. I can bring this in and then I'll cinch them down. Actually, no, then I'll put this in. But as you can see, it's kicked out a little that way. We'll get it. Get in there, bitches. Am I looking at myself or the camera? Yeah, it's different. My bad. Amateur. Went to Menards. Got this socket and a huge crescent wrench. I don't even know what size this thing is. 1 3/8. Even though these might be metric, I'm not even sure. They worked out. We'll just put in the last couple together. Couple other tips before you tighten everything down. Measure from the wall. Bring it down there. If you don't measure from the wall, you got to be able to get your plates out to throw in your biggest plate. And I just tried to match these. So I'm like 5.5 out from the wall on both sides. And then you want to measure your width on the back end in here and try to get them as even as possible. And then cinch them down. Let's put it together and crack a beer. We'll get the bench all dialed in perfectly for actually benching when we're gonna bench. I'm just putting this together today. It's too nice out. It's too hot in here, so that's why. Big Deano's Barbell Club, baby.